Now we're going to start putting things together. So the 5-stroke roll, all right, here it is. So now we're going to start putting our doubles and our singles together, and this is where it starts to get a lot of fun. Okay. All right. So the single stroke roll. Okay. I'm gonna talk in doubles and singles here. Okay. Maybe in a different way that maybe is more understandable. All right. So in a 5-stroke roll, you have 2 pairs of doubles, right, left, right, left, and then a tap, okay? So think 2 pairs of doubles, right? 1, 2, and then tap, okay? So 2 pairs of doubles, right? 2 series of doubles, 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, tap, okay? So I'm gonna talk in pairs, okay? So when I say, a pair of doubles, that means that, okay? If I say 2 pairs, that means obviously, 1, 2. So we're gonna count up, all right? So this will make things simpler when you get to all the other straight up roll rudiments that get a little tougher, okay? So that's what it is. Right, left, right, left, right, left. That's your 5-stroke roll, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and you can play these in a whole different bunch of combinations and stuff, but we're not going to get into that.